Hello everyone, it's your boy Jermaine back with another video, and this is another walking tour video. So make sure you're at home watching this on your 4K TV. Pull out your popcorn, let's go for a little walk, let's go explore. So this here is the Fisherman's Wharf neighborhood, and we're gonna walk around and explore this neighborhood a little bit. I thought I would do a night video because people would like to know what's going on at night. This here is a Friday night that I'm filming this on. It's like 7:30, so there's not a lot of people out. I think on Saturday nights it's a little bit busier, especially Saturday around like 7 o'clock, maybe like I don't know, maybe when it gets dark things start to slow down. But here's the this here's the Argonaut Hotel. I actually worked here for a short amount of time as valet attendant, parking the cars. And I tell you what, let's just go on a little adventure through here. So this was the front. We would stand there. Oh wow. Oh wow, I wonder what happened there. Well, be careful down here. It looks like I don't know, maybe like a car theft or something. But we'll just keep going with the walking tour. It's San Francisco. There's lots of crime going on in the city. But yeah, I worked right out front where the guy was standing yelling at the guy with the car. And this is this really, really cool area over here. Now this used to be like I think this used to be the Camry. So they used to make some sort of like food products here back in the day. And this whole area is really, really cool. Now majority of it is the art academy, and you know, there's like this walkway area that leads to the street, but up above here it's just this walkway. This used to be like all tables at one point in time. And I guess, you know, with COVID and less people traveling and stuff like that, because there's a restaurant at the front that's really, really busy there. Yeah, and this is a really, really cool place to explore in the daytime. At night it's a little quiet, but this is like 3 levels. I'm not gonna go up all the 3 levels, but you know, there's a really, really cool restaurant up here, or it used to be a really cool restaurant. And there's some offices and stuff up there. Yeah, this is like an area that they sort of like rehabbed and made more, you know, they kept it the same with the old school bricks, because you don't really see any bricks like this in San Francisco. Majority of San Francisco is not made of bricks because of the earthquakes. Bricks don't do so well in earthquakes. So it's just very, very few places in the city where you actually see bricks like this. And here, I'm sure that this is like retrofitted, or I don't know how it's standing here, but it's actually really weird to see bricks around here. Wow, I can't believe that weird thing happened in that video. I wonder what was going on there. Yeah, it sounded pretty insane. The Camry. It's like a ghost town in here. There's a university here. Art Academy. So we'll go back out to the main street here. And there's a bunch of shops and restaurants along the way here. There is a nightclub that must be somewhere close by, because on Sunday nights the amount of cars that's over there is insane. The amount of cars that's over there. Let's continue walking. Wow, this restaurant's busy. Well, I mean, it's kind of busy. Let's continue to go this way. Well, we got this little classic car out tonight. Like I said, it's kind of a quiet night. I mean, there are some people out. I don't usually come here. This is a part of town I don't usually come here. There's usually a lot of tourists in this part of town. And okay, there's In and Out. It's always busy. Always. I've never really come by here and ever seen it not busy. But that place is packed right now. I wonder, do you have to show your vaccine card to get in? There's like all these little cool alleyways. Let's actually go walk through some of these. There's a couple cool ones through here. There's this one that way, but we'll go down this one here. I don't know what was here before. You know, I don't exactly ever remember walking through here. I believe this is like the first time, if I'm not mistaken. This thing on the left is a parking garage. That looks like some a public restroom. Wow, that hotel looks pretty quiet. I mean, I remember before you would just see like, you know, people standing outside and like multiple cars and all that. Looks like a ghost town now. At least there's a few people out. Wow, I'm really curious to know about what happened in the beginning of the video, that all that commotion. Crazy. It's just, you know, another San Francisco night. I wonder, did they like, I don't know. I mean, who knows? It looks like they sped away really quickly, and it was people yelling as they were speeding away. I'm gonna do a quick lens wipe really fast. I think I'm getting some dew on the lens. I think that might be a little bit better. All right, there we go. Oh no, that's still not better. Sorry, guys. All right, so I just stopped to wipe the lens off. I So I saw some dew popping up. So now we're gonna go back to Jefferson, the main street here. And you can't go wrong down here. Just go ahead and cross. Wow, this used to be a restaurant, a very busy restaurant. It's closed down. Used to be a Chipotle over here. It slipped away. It seems like some of the larger places closed down, and some of these smaller locations, like they're still around. Like this place behind us was a very, very large place. Like it had I don't know how many tables, but it had a lot of tables. And then also I noticed Chipotle closed multiple locations in the city. I guess they're like, yeah, we are going to get out while we can. This was a pretty cool location with that upstairs area. And here, some of these shops are closed, but some of these shops are actually closed down for good. Big difference. Now, if you guys ever come through here in the daytime and you want to like take a boat like in the afternoon, this is the place you would do that. You know, as of now, I'm just pretty much showing some of the nightlife down here. And we're just kind of exploring it at night. It looks like there's a lot of places that are looks like there's a lot of places that are closed down. They finished construction on the street. So before it wasn't like that. They just made it like all, you know, matching for the tourist district, that whole deal. Liquidation sale. I think that place is leaving. I mean, some of these places are still hanging on, but if we go walk through here, oh man, a lot of these places are already tapped out. But we can go over here. We can see quite a bit of action. We got some music playing for sure. Yeah, like I said, it's a pretty quiet night. There's some of these places that are open. Let's go here on the back side. There's usually always action towards this end if we go and make a right. But we have to go down a little bit. Oh wow, it looks like it's pretty dark down there. Yeah, it used to be a bunch of tents down there and vendors selling stuff, but it looks like it's pretty dark. I don't see anything lit up. So let's get back on the main street. I don't see too much action going on over here. It used to be tons of vendors over there. But I guess maybe it's just a slow Friday night. Welcome to Fisherman's Wharf on a Friday night. It's pretty quiet. Yeah, I would say it's very quiet. I would go down this way, but I can just tell it looks like maybe this first shop is open, but it looks like all these other shops are closed. So I'm gonna get ready to wrap the video up. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see y'all later. Peace out.